Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. I'm doing a series of videos to learn Python as a beginner easily. In the previous video, we have seen Python introduction. In today's video, we will see some more concepts. So let's get started. Open your Google and type W3 Schools Python. Now you will get this page. Click on Python tutorial W3 Schools. Now you can see on the left hand side Python home, Python intro, syntax, comments, variables, data types, operators, lists, tuples. These are all the contents we need to learn. In the previous video, we have seen Python intro. We will recap what we have learned in the previous video. We have seen what is Python, what can Python do, why Python, how it is different from other programming languages, and what is its syntax, and first program we have seen. In today's video, we will see second page. Python programming can be written in text editor, and also we have so many integrated development environments. We call it as IDE. We have like Thorny, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse. In this also we can write the Python program and we can execute. Now we will see how to install Python IDE. In the second page, Python Get Started, click on that. Here they have mentioned how to install Python on your desktop or laptop. These instructions we need to follow while downloading. After downloading, we need to write the first program like this, print hello world. Now we will see one by one. Open new tab and type python.org and open python.org. Click on that. Now you will see this page. In this, download the latest version for Windows. And also we can install Python in different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac and other systems. Now we have Python 3.9.1 version. Now we have to click download Python 3.9.1. Click on that. You can see at the bottom Python file is downloaded. Click on that to open. Now you will get like this page, modify, repair, uninstall. In my laptop, I already installed Python. I will show you that. Click on Windows Start. Scroll down. Now you can see over here Python 3.9 version. Click on that. Now in this, we are getting ideally Python 3.9 64-bit, Python 3.9 64-bit, and this is manual and module docs. We are getting total 4. First we will see one by one. First click on that IDLE. This is the IDLE shell. Here we can write the program. For suppose print, we are writing our first program. Hello world. Enter. See, we are getting the output. Now we will see second one. This is Python 3.9 64-bit. Click on that. This is the black screen one. Now here we can write Python program print hello world. Enter. Sorry, we will write once again. enter. Yeah, we are getting the output. Now we will see third one. These are the manuals. Click on that. Python documentation contents. What's new in Python? What's new in Python 3.9? This is all documentation purpose. They will use this. You can see all this documentation. And next we will see fourth option. This is module documents, Python 3.9 module documents. Click on that. In Python, we have so many modules. Module is nothing but a block of code. We can use that code in the Python programming. We have built-in modules. These are all built-in modules. We can see like opcode, operator, pickle, random. These are all built-in modules. Scroll down. We have so many modules. In this way, we need to install the Python in your laptop or desktop. Or else we have PyCharm. In PyCharm, we have a professional and common community platform. See, we have full-fledged professional or free community. Simply click on download, it will get downloaded into your system. We have so many like Tawny. This is Python IDE for beginners. Simply we have to download and we have to write the code and execute the code. Python is very simple compared to other programming languages. It's simple syntax. It is very popular than other programming languages because of its syntax and open source. If you don't want to download these IDEs, we can also do by using Notepad. I will show you that one also. Simply we have to open new Notepad, click on that, type any code. We will see first simple program, hello world. Now we need to save the file. Click on save as. We need to save Python file with the extension py.py. Yeah, file is saved. Now we need to execute this program, so that we need command prompt. Enter cmd, enter. Command prompt is open. Now we need to give path. cd space desktop, enter. Now dictionary, enter. File name dot with extension py, enter. See, we have got output. This is the output. In this way, we can practice Python in simple Notepad, Notepad++ also, if you don't want to use IDEs for practice purpose. If you want to use IDEs, simply install Python.org or PyCharm, Thorny, Jupyter. We have so many IDEs. Simply we have to download and we need to write the code and execute. In this way, we can learn Python easily as a beginner. In the next class, we will see what is Python syntax. We will see this concept in the next class. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.